Oh, Chad Allen, he's over there. Chad, come on over, baby. You guys, this is by Bell & Howell, and this is a loved and trusted brand. This is an award-winning brand, and they are known for beautiful lighting. You're getting a 2-pack today. I heard we only have 2 colors left. Is that right? Chad Allen is in the house.
I've been telling all the hosts, I'm like, Debbie D is going to be
so
mad.
upset. Well, this is so cute. We have black and silver, which matches everything, but this is so special because everybody needs more lighting. I also love that this is rechargeable, and so that you don't have to worry about bulbs and you don't have to wear candles and you have to light them. It's all rechargeable, no cords.
No, and made of iron. It's meant to be outside, but anything that's meant to be outside could absolutely be inside. And I say that because you might want to bring them in and decorate some shelves or things. So the freedom is yours, whether it's outside or inside. I even have one in my shower. I'm done with that big light.
I love that.
Yeah, and bubble baths, things like that.
Baths and, and it's so much easier than lighting a candle. How does it work?
You got it. So when you open the box, you charge it up. It's going to have a charge on it already. It'll last you a few hours all by itself. But then you hit one button on the bottom. See this button right here? You're just going to sort of click it and click it on, and that's what's activating the touch control. The whole top is a touch control. There's no buttons up here. So once you hit that, then the touch control is activated. So whether I'm touching the side or the top, it's going to work, okay? And if I touch the top, you're going to see it goes through different temperatures of light. So the first one's going to be a yellow light.
Okay.
You know why yellow light's great?
For like dining?
Bugs can't see yellow.
Oh, bugs can't see.
They can't see yellow.
Well, if I were sitting outside, I'd have the yellow light on.
Right. And then the next one is going to be what we call daylight. That's a stark white light. That's going to be great when you're doing your manicure, when you're doing your needlepoint, when you want to take your tweezers and get a splinter out of your hand. The third is a warmer white light, a very natural, clean white light. If that's too bright, you just touch the top and hold it, it will dim down. See how it got a lot lighter? If I let go and then I just touch again and hold it, it will brighten back up. It is so simple, but take a look at the top though. You see how we didn't lose the elegance, the shine, the shimmer, the perfectness of it by adding any buttons or stickers or anything crazy. The light is all built into the inside. It's LED. And the charging port is right here. We're going to give you 2 USB-C cables, the latest of the latest technology. You're just going to pull this back, and then there's your port, right? So you charge it back up. It's going to take you a few hours to charge it, but the battery lasts quite a long time. And what I mean by that is, if you're dining outside, you're having a great time outside, maybe it's an hour, maybe an hour and a half. This lasts 7 hours.
7 hours. And you guys, we've never had it at this price. This is a wonderful today's special because we have sold one where you pay $39.95 for one. Today you get, and this is your last opportunity, you're going to get 2 for $24.99. So remember that. Normally, and see how I'm touching it and so that it's just changing colors. I love that. So here's the yellow that keeps the bugs away. You're getting 2 for less than the price of 1. All rechargeable, and the fact that it lasts for 7 hours, and the fact that it's on free shipping, and the fact that it's on 5 flex pay. So let me look at my flex pay for you. It's $5 to get home 2 lamps that should be $80 because if we've sold them for $40 each, it should be $80 for 2. $24.99 is a steal.
Yes, and
it's a steal.
I'll tell you something. We got the retail compare only because we sell the Chelsea as a regular, not the deluxe, the Chelsea that's only meant to be inside. We sell that on our website for $30.
Right.
HSN said, yeah, but where do you sell the deluxe outdoor version?
Sure.
And we said, we don't.
We only sell it here. You made it for us.
Just for you guys here at HSN. And they said, wow, okay, great. And so they bought every single unit, of course.
Oh, wow, of course.
We said, if we're going to make them, you got to buy, and they bought them all. We've had a very successful day. We're down to 2 colors, which I'm a little nervous about. And then they called and they said, it's been very successful, Chad.
Yep.
We need more. And I said, oh, we only made those for you.
So we don't have any more. And you guys, we started out the day with like 4 colors and we're down to the final 2 colors. So I'm glad that you're here. You're here for a reason because everybody needs light, right? And this is about ambiance. What type of lighting do you want? There are 3 different types of light, but the fact that it lasts for 7 hours, and they're so lightweight that you really can have one next to the bed if you want to read.
Yes.
You know, you can have one in your favorite chair and, you know, you're looking at your magazine or like I need it sometimes just to see the remote.
Yes.
I can't find all those buttons.
Well, there's a lot of great things about it. It looks great for sure, but we've cleverly thought of the design. For example, if Debbie was on the other side, Debbie and I are right next to each other, right? We can see each other if it's nighttime. We'll still be able to see each other. The light isn't shining in our eyeballs. Does this make sense? Because when a light shines up and a lamp shines up and shines down and shines all around, your eyeballs are distracted by the light and you're trying to dine, right? You're trying to be outside and enjoy and relax. I want to see my partner. So what is this? This is what we call down lighting. This is going to be all the lighting is shining straight down, which is perfect. Because
it is. I love it.
You're going to illuminate everything.
Touch. I'm just playing with it.
You're going to illuminate everything you want to see, none of the things that are distracting. And to get two made out of iron, we did it strategically because I studied interior design in college. When you're decorating in two, it just looks better. And quite frankly,
it does.
Debbie, I could have taken this box away. Look at the two black flat.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
That's fine, sure. But what happens when you elevate? When you take 4 drink coasters and stack them on top of each other, you can create the same tablescape we've done here with 2 sets for $50.
And you guys, you might want to get 2 different sets. So they're going to come to you just like this in this box. I'll show you the box in a minute. But these are little giftables. This is, you know, you're going to get 2 home. You can keep one, you can gift one. But I would get a set for yourself and get a set for somebody else. Does somebody just move into a new apartment? They move into a new home. It's wedding season. What do you get your favorite couple? You don't have to break the bank. And so the fact that they made the Chelsea, the indoor and outdoor just for us, for $24.95, that is huge. So it's $24.99 to be exact, $5 to get it home. And you know, the fact that one of the Chelseas, when you go to .com, is $30.
Yes.
The fact that you're going to get 2 for less than the price of 1 is huge. And here they are. They come in these cute little boxes, and they come with the rechargeable wires that you need, because you're not going to have to light a candle that gets all messy and you have to worry about things falling over. A candle starts fires. This is not going to start any fires. There's no wicks. There's nothing to light. It's all touch.
Yeah, great point. Even those boxes, did you notice there's a silver boxes, and so there's a silver picture on it. If you buy more than 1 set, which I've heard a lot of customers have done today, you don't have to open all the boxes to see which colors in which box. The picture on the outside will match what's on the inside. And so the black has black, the white has white, you know, all the different colors.
But we only have black and silver left.
Now. But if you ordered earlier, you don't have to worry.
We had more earlier, but you're still in luck because we still have 2 colors that go with everything. If you have a lot of, if you want to match, like, you know, people have silver knobs and you know, more modern, everything is silver. Get the silver. You like it, you know, you like black, it goes with everything. Get the black. What I like is it's modern, it's transitional, it'll go with any type of style decor.
Yeah, the black, since we're speaking of the actual color of the lamps, the black is matte, okay? It's a flat black. The silver is more of that metallic, brushed, stainless steel, high-end glossy finish. And so look at them side by side. That looks phenomenal.
Get both of them. You guys, it's $5 to get home the set of black, and it's $5 to get home the set of silver. And the fact that, how is it that the light can last for 7 hours? That's great. That's all day.
The story is that we created a new division at Bell & Howell called Bell & Howell by Design. You don't usually see this kind of upscale look from us. We're more industrial, you know, heavy duty, things like that. However, we have a brand new division at the company that they've been around for a few years now, really designing and working with the engineers. Chelsea is a place in New York, right? It's a borough of New York, and that's why they came up with this. So you're going to see these high-end versions, but we know we're giving you a brand new line of product. And so we're basically giving it away to get you to try it. It's like when the beauty brands give you the testers, right?
That's right.
To get you to try things. We want you to dive into Bell & Howell by Design, because I truly feel, and I mean this, I truly feel if you start to design your homes with our products, you'll come back for more each and every time. And so I'm incentivized to sort of get it in your hands.
Absolutely,
right?
Get it in your hands. And you guys, let me tell you one thing that can get it in your hands. I would get 2 sets of these. You're getting 2 for $24.99. And if you want to apply for your HSN card, let me give you $40. That way you can get a set of the silver and a set of the black. Call the number on your screen, and when you apply, we give you $40. It's $40 of free money. And who doesn't need more light? And there are 3 different types of light.
Yes, and I'll go with that. If you're just joining us, when you open the box, charge it up, it's going to last you for 7 hours. There's one button on the bottom. You just flip that switch. That's what activates the top to be touch controlled, right? And so when I touch it, it's going to be off. Now, when I touch it the first time, you're going to get that yellow light. That's what bugs can't see. Bugs can't see the color yellow. If that's too bright, you can hold it On the side, on the top, the light dims down. Like any regular touch lamp you've experienced in your life, you hold it again, it's gonna brighten back up, okay? So that's the first color, and that same dimness works for all of them. The second color that comes out is a stark white daylight. That is so good when you want that close-up needlework, when you want to pull the splinter out, when you want to do your manicure. That third light, I think that's where you're gonna leave it most of the time. That's the classic, warm, incandescent type of light you would have in your everyday home. I tilt it towards you so you can actually see it. These are LEDs on the inside.
Yes.
You will never have to change them.
I love that.
You'll never have to change the battery. You'll never have to call an electrician. You'll never have to run an extension cord. You'll never. How much would you pay for just if we didn't have these?
Right.
We'd have a candle.
Right.
Right? Because we'd be a couple. Oh,
Right.
Oh,
Yes.
We're a couple.
Oh, yes, honey.
Oh.
How you doing, baby?
It's I know her husband, so it's a good thing. But when we were just sitting here having a dining, what would you do with you and your partner? You'd have a candle here, right? And that candle needs replaced. It burns out. It knocks over. It gets wet. It's ruined.
Right.
These, they charge up. It depletes. You charge it back up. It depletes.
It lasts
you
7
charge- You
hours.
never worry about it. It's going to last you for
Right.
decades. Quite
Right.
honestly, it's made of iron. It's meant to be outside. Those candles, it'll cost you more than $12.50 every time.
Oh yeah, and so you guys, these are forever pieces. This is how it will come in 2 boxes, and you're going to get the, since they're rechargeable, you're gonna get the USB that goes along with it. And you guys, you can put these anywhere. They're so versatile. So we did sell out of the white, but we do have the silver and the black, and a lot of you are picking up both. So we only have less than 1,000 to go around in the silver. You guys, we've sold 30,000 of these and counting. And is this the last presentation, or will this carry in the weekend? I don't know. Is
No,
this the
this
last?
is it.
This is the
Yeah.
last presentation. So this is a 1-day deal. I know we have a birthday weekend and the celebration for 4th of July, but this is it. This deal goes away. It is $24.99 right now, tonight. The deal expires at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time. Only 900 left now in the silver, and then you have the black. Get them both. $5 to get home a set of the silver, and another $5 to get home the black. That's $10 because that's all you're spending. So how many new shoppers do we have? I'm just curious. I want to welcome you all into HSN because it's very easy to shop here. We're going to deliver both of these to your door, and it's free shipping. It's like, oh my goodness.
Well, I wanted you to buy more than one set.
Yes.
Because I know this. It's like the potato chip effect. You start to do one, you start to decorate with one, you're going to want them everywhere. You're going to want them. You are probably going to put some inside. I do know that. You're probably going to have a couple on the kitchen counter, or maybe like on your side table, because when you wake up, you can just touch it. You don't have to worry about flipping a switch or anything. I definitely believe, and Amy Morrison agreed with me, I already have one in the shower.
Right.
She said, Chad, I'm buying a set for the shower too. And then Valerie is like, I love my bubble baths.
I do too. So I want to get these because to be honest, I've done the candle thing before, not very often because it's too much of an effort.
Right.
You got to get the candles out, then you got to find the match, and then you got to make sure that this one doesn't blow out, and then you got to relight that one. And it's just a mess. And then the wax, and then they came out with candles are not exactly the safest thing for you anymore. You can research that. This is easy. This is rechargeable. You don't have to worry about anything falling over. You don't have to light anything. You're going to charge them up, and they're going to last for 7 hours. And they happen to be beautiful. And you just tap it, and then here is your warm yellow light. Yeah. Tap it again, then you get
the daylight,
the daylight, and then tap it again, and this.
And that's actually already in the dim mode. It will remember the dimness you have. So if you just hold your finger at the top or on the side, it will automatically brighten back up. But if you liked a certain dimness, it'll keep it there forever.
I love that.
It
so
remembers.
3 lights,
3 different lighting modes.
Yellow, daylight, and white.
Yep, and then you can dim it anywhere along the way.
Oh my goodness. You guys, this is a steal of a deal because we all need more light. You may want to put one next to your bed. To me, that it's not so much that you wake up your partner. It takes me a while to fall asleep. My husband goes to bed he's asleep right now. He goes to bed at 10 o'clock.
How about, I know you. How about glamping?
Glamping?
Hello.
Yes.
I know WD.
Yes,
We're going to
honey.
go glamping.
We're going to go glamping. If you want to take this camping, fine, but I would do glamping because I don't do like strange animals in tents.
Yeah. And you know the other thing I think you should think about, I know we're having fun, you should think about your emergency preparedness kit.
That's true.
Because when the electric goes out, it's hurricane season, you want to have, well, what would you do? You'd light candles, it's a little dangerous, sure.
You could see with this.
In 7 hours of light, that's a long time when the electric's out.
Absolutely. And
Times two.
Times two. These are very lightweight. I love the cute little boxes. Remember, Bell and Howell is known, Hollywood uses Bell and Howell
117 years in business. We have Academy Awards. Yeah.
Right. So you're known as the lighting king.
Yeah.
And so you guys, $5 to get home two. They're gonna come in these 2 boxes like this. Get them for yourself. Send them to your loved ones. I mean, everybody needs more light, and I like your idea, hurricane season. We just saw what happened in Jamaica and Mexico and all these different places, and everything's ramping up. Wildfires out west. So you always need some lighting. Know that you have 30 days to love it or send it back, but don't miss out on the deal. To get 2 for $24.99, one is normally $30. You're getting 2 for less than the price of one only tonight, and it's free shipping, and it's $5. High five. Woo woo. Woo woo. Well, we're going to take a quick break, and I guess I'll have a little bit of lights. So we have my list pick coming up next. How about From the Sun to the Shade as an advisor when we come back?
Merry Craftsmas is here at HSN.